Don't go up there. Hey, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, we are going to be working on the 2016 WRX, and we are going to be changing up the fog lights. Naturally, they're like kind of this incandescent yellowish light, but we're gonna make it look cooler. This is gonna be the cheapest way to do it. So we're just gonna go ahead and get this bad mamba jamba up to working height. There we are. Now there's a bunch of reasons why you might want these yellow. They make it easier for you to see in the snow and in the rain and in the fog, and I don't really know why, but they look cool, so we're gonna do it anyway. Now allegedly, you're supposed to be able to just pull this off. Wow, that was easy. Now we're just gonna take some Blue Freeze flavor glass cleaner and this really clean rag that I found on my toolbox. And just obviously salty here in Wisconsin right now because winter and all that. Oh yeah. Bam, ready to go. Next up, you just take your roll of this stuff and unravel it somehow. Look at that. Ooh, it smells like an inner tube. Now hopefully, if you can see all that, it looks a little crinkly wrinkly, but it's not getting better. So we're gonna try it anyway. We've done window tint before, not very well, but we've done it, so it's kind of the same idea. Side note, if you're a criminal, it'd be really easy to steal these things. So I couldn't find scissors, so I just cut it with this, kind of a general idea. This is actually double stick kind of deal. So you just peel off the one side that it has sticky-ishness on, and you're just gonna stick it. Where are you? Just unpeel it like that. Kind of press it on and work your bubbles out. Let's go around, cut the edges. Nice. Now we'll just use a little bit of heat, kind of work this, shrink it down a little bit. Ta-da! Show you what we got. Oh, goodness gracious. How do we turn these on? There we go. Beautiful. So this is a general idea of how it's gonna look. Oh, there you go. Yellow. And not as yellow. Yellow on that side, clear on the other. All that's left now is for me to do the same thing on the other side, so we're gonna speed right through that. It's a little loose. Just gotta pop this bad boy in. And we're done. The final product, we got yellow on each side. It really, really looks good compared to stock. Bam. And just like that, it looks like every other Subaru ever. So as always, let me know if you like the video, like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff helps me big time. And we'll catch you guys next time.